This isn't an edit. This isn't CGI. The ocean is actually doing this. Off the coast of Mauritius Island, there is an underwater waterfall, and it looks like the entire ocean floor is being swallowed. Here's what's actually happening. Sand and silt deposits on the ocean floor are being swept off a massive underwater cliff by powerful ocean currents. From above, it looks exactly like water pouring into a void. And that drop, it goes thousands of meters straight down into complete darkness. Nobody knows exactly what lives at the bottom. One of the most unreal places on Earth, and it is completely real. Follow for more unseen places the world forgot to tell you about.